Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED tail light installation guide for the Chevrolet Camaro. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and a panel popper. Start by opening the trunk and removing the 3 plastic retainers that secure the cover panel on each side. Remove the cover panel and set it aside. Remove the 4 10mm nuts that secure the tail lights. Disconnect the inner brake lamp harness. Remove the inner brake lamp socket. Release the 6 retainer tabs to unseat each bezel. Then remove the 2 taillight bezels. Remove the inner tail light. Disconnect the outer brake lamp harness. Remove the outer brake lamp socket. Remove the outer tail light. Seat the Spyder inner tail light. Be sure to seat the tail light guide tabs. Seat the Spyder outer tail light. Reinstall the 2 tail light bezels by pressing them back into place. Connect the inner tail light harness. Reinstall the 2 10mm nuts that secure the inner tail light. Connect the outer tail light harness. Reinstall the 2 10mm nuts that secure the outer tail light. Replace the cover panel. Then reinstall the 3 plastic retainers, and you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Camaro with a set of LED tail lights from Spyder Auto.